So most of the videos that I make on this channel are typically for creators that are doing TikTok Shop affiliate and from the perspective of creators that are on TikTok. And what I want to do differently, I want to walk you through the process of a buyer. So somebody that knows nothing about a product to eventually converting and buying that product. Because understanding the psychology behind that will make your life a lot easier. And I've seen this firsthand work for affiliates and creators. And honestly, it'll give you some insight on how the TikTok algorithm works in general. All right, this is the process of somebody going from knowing absolutely nothing about a product to then eventually converting and buying that product. So I want you to put yourself in the shoes of somebody that knows zero or very little about something and then eventually buying the product. So like I said, you do not know the product exists. Well, what happens? TikTok will then show you a video on your For You page. This would be a top of funnel video. So that's a video with curiosity, a good hook, a problem, something that makes you want to stop and watch that video. Probably be a video 9 times out of 10 that has already performed well, and then TikTok has grouped you into a category where they think, hey, this person is kind of similar to this account. Let's show this account what we showed this person. And that's kind of how algorithms work in general. So a viewer watches that video all the way through. TikTok will then start showing them more and more product related videos. So the algorithm will then tag that user as an interested buyer and then continue to show them videos. Now, middle of funnel would be the more of the review styles, the demonstrations of the product. It's targeting people that already have seen videos like the top of funnel videos and know that the product exists. So it's just kind of them giving, or UGC creators giving their story or their opinion. Next, the middle consideration. So the person that watches that video is thinking to themselves, okay, is it worth it to buy this product? I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna hold off on it, maybe add it to their cart, show that they're engaged. And then the algorithm will then retarget that person with bottom of funnel videos. What the bottom of funnel videos do is they use urgency, they use social proof, they use discount codes, they use every possible psychological trigger that would make somebody want to buy the product right then and there. So they're not giving stories, they're not explaining the product, nothing like that, because the person already knows what the product is. And this is flawless because TikTok, it's affiliate marketing, but there's an algorithm that is just a beautiful, beautiful algorithm that understands the interest in the people that watch the video. That's what makes TikTok amazing, because anybody can post a video and get 200 views. If the video is good enough, then it takes off, so on and so forth. But bottom of funnel is trying to convert the users one last time with the FOMO, with the discount codes, everything. Think about it like this. Trust is the most important thing when it comes to buying anything. For instance, let's say a Ferrari as a car company. Let's say if somebody handed you $1 million, you would be more willing to spend, $500,000 if you were going to buy a car, which wouldn't be very smart, but if you were going to buy a car, you'd be more willing to spend that money with a brand like Ferrari than you would a brand that's maybe not as trustworthy as the Ferrari brand. Now, that is why bottom of funnel creators, the top 2 creators right now based on GMV, are 2 bottom of funnel creators. Now, if you don't know how to do bottom of funnel videos, if you are kind of stuck on or have a bunch of questions regarding bottom of funnel, I've made a couple videos going over the different things to do whenever you are creating bottom of funnel videos. And we talk about it in Titans as well. If you're not in Titans, you can click the link in the description and join Titans. We got a lot of different stuff in there. So thank you all for watching. I hope this video helps. I hope this was an easy to follow, easy breakdown on why bottom of funnel is doing so well on TikTok Shop for affiliates. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.